Good morning, traders. Welcome back. I'm Braden. This is BMC Futures Morning Outlook for Monday, January 23rd, 2017. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Looking forward to a great and probably interesting trading week as usual. Taking a look at the Emini S&P first off here. So looking at a lot of sideways action currently this morning. Not seeing any sort of good trending conditions. This range that we're in here just keeps getting tighter and tighter, and we're waiting for the pop, waiting to see if we're going to get down below here or if we're going to break up above these highs and start to press on forward. So what I'm noticing here, for one, at least on the daily, is we were in a range here. We were in a range here, and now we seem to be in a range here. So still as before, we've got some short-term support down below, but it seems as if it is starting to cave in just a little bit. We've got some pokes down into this area here. And the more it does that, the more this could potentially give away. So I'm watching to see if we get some acceleration to the downside, but I'm also watching for the upside. So kind of caught in the middle on this one right here. And then keep in mind, still, we've really got nothing going on the intraday chart, at least not currently. So these are a lot of whipsaws. Can be pretty dangerous if you're trying to catch the big move before it happens. So moving on to crude oil here. Crude oil's had some pretty good trending conditions intraday. What I've been noticing here is push down, consolidate, push up. Now we're pushing back down. We've got this move breaking through this resistance and coming down like so was this bar here. So right now, after these moves, I'm waiting to see if we're going to get below this level. If we're going to get below here and eventually below here to see if we're going to have some downside. If we start to push back up, we've got some short-term resistance in the background here. If we start to push back up into that, we'll be cautious for this getting kicked back down. So we may see some further ranging and consolidation here at this level if this wants to continue to hold, and we've got this coming down on top of us. We could see some tightening up here, and then it's going to be a matter of, do we make a move back up this way, or do we break down below here and keep going? So waiting and watching. Like seeing good trending intraday moves at the least. Like so, but for right now, going to wait and see if we want to get down below here and push down further into those lows. On gold, so we've had the big push up here in the short term backdrop, made this blast off high, right, and then we push back down. So right now, what we're looking at is this being some resistance. As we can see, we tried to push up in this area only to get kicked back down. We've got some resistance above. We've got some support below. So this could, again, similar to crude and what we've been seeing on the Emini S&P, this could want to start to tighten up before it decides which way it's going to go. So we'll be patiently waiting. We got some pretty choppy uptrending with some blast off sort of moves and then consolidation and back down. Now we're chopping again. Going to be watching gold, but probably keeping a closer eye on crude oil, see if we can get something. And then whenever the E-mini decides to make this big break, we're gonna see what happens. The tighter we consolidate, the more meaningful whatever move happens, whether it's up or down, should be a long lasting. We're going to be watching for the fake out first. We sell down hard here, and that makes everybody think that we're getting, markets going to, going to totally crash. Sucks everybody in, reverses, and then, plows forward. Also, we can see this pop up. We can see this pop up through, through this area. Pop up. Market's going to the moon. It's going to a million, and then as soon as it does that, it sucks all the late people in, and then that is the top. We roll over. So I'm going to be watching for fake out moves there, really trying to get some confirmation of this move, whatever it's going to be, before I start really looking aggressive to get some intraday, catch some intraday trades. So that does it this morning on Monday here. We are pretty light. No news to speak of, so that could be a light day, or it could be a nice, technical day, but maybe not a whole lot of range. Either way, going to stay frosty, see what the market has in store for us today. That does it. Make sure to follow me on Twitter at BMC Futures if you're not already, for real-time market commentary and updates. Let's make it a good day, and I'll see you in the market.